Alright, time for the morning weather and road conditions.
Well, today's the third consecutive day with severe weather concerns with this lingering cold front. Meteorologist Joe Hansel here on this Monday, March 7th. Look at your forecast. A marginal to widespread slight risk for isolated to scattered, mainly damaging winds will be the primary severe threat. Cities like Atlanta, Nashville, into areas of the northeast United States. Cities like Washington, D.C., Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, Cincinnati. Be weather aware today. Isolated large hail and a brief tornado or two can't be ruled out. Watching for some 1-inch rainfall totals today, another on Wednesday for the eastern United States. And also out west, heavy mountain snow expected 8 to 18 inches for some of the Rocky Mountain areas west of Denver and east of Salt Lake City. Chicago to Milwaukee, 1 to 3 inches of a wet, wintry mix or snow possible for your morning drive. So Chicago, watch out for that 1 to 3. Area of low pressure in the upper levels, pushing all that moisture in the eastern United States. This system has been lingering for multiple days. And here we go again. Green for rain, blue for snow, some wintry icy mix potential near and east of Detroit is noted as well. Ice accumulation possible near the Canadian border for the day today as that system continues to work east and northeast, moving that moisture around. The eastern United States still very warm. Cold front's going to run into that warm and moist air mass. Some daily record heat is expected for much of the eastern United States. Washington, D.C. should shatter a record with highs nearly 30 degrees above normal today.
Alrighty, so it looks like y'all there in the east are going to have all kinds of fun with the slip and slide going on. So we switch over to my tablet here so we can do the roads and the weather radar and all that kind of crapachoozies. Yeah, the mountain passes and stuff are looking halfway decent right now. Going across I-90, I-84, I-5. Later today and tonight, you're going to have to go and watch out Pendleton over the Ontario, Oregon, because winter weather is going to be coming through on this stretch here, going across Cabbage and the Blue Hills, Meacham Pass, on over to Baker City and down to Ontario. That could get rather ugly later on as well. Looks like it's fairly smooth sailing right now going across Montana and Wyoming showing clear, but it's got snow-covered roads. I'll bring that up here in a little bit. Nothing going on Donner Pass or across Nevada, there by Winnemucca and Battle Mountain and stuff like that. I know it was a pain in the butt the other day. Everything's cleared up. Looks like I-40's rolling pretty good. And 20 and 10 are clear. There's your storm band that they were talking about. Going over the Nashville area, going up the Smoky Mountain spine there. It's going to be moving north and east, so could be getting some tornadoes like he was saying. Michigan, the upper part of the Mitt's getting some snow right now. You can see the red for slowed down traffic and all that kind of crap, so watch your P's and Q's going across that area. Yeah, but other than that, the roads are showing clear right now. No major slow-ups, tie-ups, slow-downs, whatever. And we'll go and there's Wyoming. We'll bring that up. They just have snow-covered roads, slicking spots, both I-80, no closures and stuff. it's looking clear from Nebraska over to the Utah state line, and from Colorado up to Montana, and Montana to South Dakota. That they're not catching anything major. It's just normal Wyoming roads and stuff where, be slicking spots. Just keep your distance, keep your safe space going on, and all that kind of crap. And you should do fine. Got a dense fog advisory up here, the Puget Sound area. I'm not seeing any fog where I'm at here out on the Kitsap Peninsula. But here's that winter weather advisory in the Blue Mountain area. Snow accumulations 3 to 9 inches. That's from 10 p.m. this evening through 4 a.m. on Wednesday. So this will be stretching, as this is Monday, stretching through Tuesday into Wednesday. So if you're going to be going across that way, travel could become very difficult. So slow down, keep your following distance and all that. Winter weather advisory for Montana as well. 4 to 9 inches in the mountains, 2 to 4 inches in the lower elevations. Gusting winds as high as 35. That's from 8 p.m. this evening through 8 a.m. on Wednesday. So tomorrow's not looking good. You could end up having that affect your travel going across Montana all day tomorrow, more than likely. I'll be having more on that, but all that stretching mainly from just west of Billings all the way up to basically to Missoula. So all the way from Billings to Missoula is where the winter storm watch is in effect for tonight, tomorrow, and into Wednesday morning. Got another winter storm watch down here in Wyoming, and that'll be from Tuesday evening through late Wednesday. 5 to 10 inches of snow. So yeah, if you're going to get past Wyoming and stuff, you better do it today, because earlier tomorrow, because it's going to get a little rough later on. That stretches all the way into Nebraska. They're calling for up to 6 inches of snow with winds as high as 35 miles an hour. That's from Wednesday morning through Thursday morning. So it's going to be a slow-moving front. Like I say, it's going to be Montana tomorrow and tonight and tomorrow, and then drift down to Wyoming and then over to Nebraska. So anyway, get over here. They're talking about more winter weather advisories for the Quad Cities and Chicago area. And that's until noon today. Snow accumulations up to 2 inches and ice accumulations of a light glaze. So that could really make for some slip and slide driving. And you can see here the snow bands going across the upper portion of Michigan here, and the mitt. Come on. There we go. 2 to 4 inches from 1 a.m. to 3 p.m. today, so it should be clearing up by the evening commute. The snow will be slacking off by then, but you could still have for ugly looking roads. And you can see the rain bands, and it transitions into snow up there in upstate New York. We got a wind advisory up there as well. If I can get the wind advisory to come up. Hello. There we go. 25 or 20 to 35 mile an hour, gusts to 50 expected. That's for upstate New York, Catskills, and so And you got a wind advisory all the way down through New York, starting off with the New York up the top part down into North Carolina. 15 to 20, gust to 50. That'll be until 9 p.m. this evening. And looking pretty good down in Georgia in the south. A few scattered rain showers going across Alabama and Mississippi. And some moving out of the Dallas area. And lake wind advisories on Lake Havasu and Lake Mead, so if you're going to be going across the Boulder Dam, watch out for windy conditions there. And Los Angeles and their spaghetti overpasses, 20 to 30 mile an hour winds, gusts to 45, so isolated gust to 50 across the favored foothills in Santa Monica Mountains. So if you're light and you're up on the spaghetti overpasses, well, don't. How's that sound? Okay, well, that's about all I've got for this morning. Stay safe, stay out of the ditches there, guys and gals, and don't do anything embarrassing to end up on Boneheaded Truckers YouTube page. Alright, catch y'all later. Take it easy. This is Greg, signing off.